What up, YouTube? Making this fiberglass seat pan. I started out by making this cardboard cutout, which is pretty much the right size. This is adjustable, we can move up and down so I can see it from the back. All of this is just temporary so I can get an idea of how I want to finish it out. Right now I'm just taking this dry foam, like stuff you put plants in, and I'm just building up a box I can shave down. Okay, so I got the foam built. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'll be able to shave it and shape it the way it's supposed to be. Alright, I'm gonna start shaping it. It's probably gonna take a while, so I'm probably gonna time lapse with that. You see it's coming into shape. Alright, the battery's dying. I'm gonna come back when it's done, after I charge this battery, and show you what it looks like after I finish. Okay. I've got it pretty shaped, pretty good. I might keep messing with it a little bit, but we're looking pretty good.